Hello. Right, time to get cracking with sorting out what I'm going to be doing for the workshops. I had a lot of people that are really interested in doing it, so I'm going to start with acrylic pouring, which is something that I haven't done in a while. So I'm just trying to perfect my recipe again. I'll put details up of that later, assuming it works. But I'm going to be doing it on one of these MDF wooden hearts, just because I've got lots of them at the minute, with obviously Valentine's Day around the corner. And I'm going to be doing it in pink, black and some white, so not too much colour going on in there, but just to see if I can get some nice effects. So thanks for watching. Some silicone oil in it. I think I'm going to put it in just the pink and the black, and just a couple of drops. I don't like loads and loads and loads of cells, but I think some do give a really nice effect and make it interesting. Okay, I'm going to take another one of my little cups, and I'm going to do the flip cup method. So I always start with white on the bottom, because when it goes upside down, that white tends to sink to the base of the substrate and then creates the cells. More pink. And finish with a bit black. Okay. And give that a minute just to sink. And what I am going to do is, because I'm not convinced there's going to be enough paint in that little shortcut to cover the surface, so spread these out a bit, just to help get the movement. I could have put down a base colour of white on the heart before I poured, but I don't want it. Sometimes it can end up then looking too white, when I actually want this bit to create the colours and pattern. Oh. It's a messy game, this fluid art lark. Just glad I don't have to be doing it at home anymore with carpet. Okay, let's get ready to see what this does. Now I'll go up here. It's all staying a bit still at the minute. I don't want to lose it all off of the side. So there's some great cells, but it's not quite moving. I think I definitely need to put a bit more water and maybe the Liquitex. No, I didn't put gloves on. Those cells are pretty amazing. I don't want to move around too much because I don't want to lose them all. But I like it, you know. At least I'm happy definitely using the Liquitex. I think it just needed to be a bit runnier to get some good movement. It would probably work better on a tile. So I didn't like the top right hand corner, so I just did another little mini flip cup. Just to give it a bit more interest up there. And I don't want to start tipping it now because I'm worried I'm going to lose all the other cells, so I'm going to just get blowing. Pretty cool. I like.